Buckingham Palace, London, UK, 1.3 billion. The iconic home of the British monarch, valued at 1.3 billion, features 775 rooms, 19 grand staterooms, and priceless art collections. A symbol of royal heritage and architectural grandeur, it stands as one of the world's most prestigious residences. The palace hosts state events and ceremonies, with its lavish interiors and sprawling gardens reflecting centuries of history. Its iconic balcony is famous for royal appearances, making it a global landmark of tradition and opulence. Antilia, Mumbai, India. 1 billion valued at 1 billion. Mukesh Ambani's 27-story skyscraper boasts a helipad, multiple pools, a spa, and even a snow room. This architectural marvel redefines luxury with its cutting-edge design and opulent amenities. The building includes a ballroom, a 50-seat theater, and a garage for 168 cars. Designed to withstand earthquakes, it combines modern technology with extravagant living, offering breathtaking views of Mumbai's skyline in the Arabian Sea. Villa Leopolda, French Riviera, France. 750 million, nestled on 20 acres. This 750 million historic estate offers breathtaking Mediterranean views, lush gardens, and a stunning pool. Once owned by King Leopolda II, it's a timeless symbol of elegance. The villa features 11 bedrooms, a greenhouse, and a staff quarters. Its terraced gardens are adorned with fountains and sculptures, making it a paradise of tranquility and luxury. The estate has hosted numerous high-profile events and remains a jewel of the French Riviera. Les Palais, Côte d'Azur, France. 390 million, known as the Bubble Palace. This 390 million futuristic home features bubble-shaped rooms, an outdoor amphitheater, and panoramic sea views. Owned by Pierre Cardin, it's a masterpiece of avant-garde design. The property includes 10 bedrooms, a swimming pool, and a 500-seat amphitheater for events. Its organic, curved architecture blends seamlessly with the natural landscape, creating a surreal and luxurious living experience. The palace has been a hub for fashion shows and artistic gatherings. The One, Bel Air, USA. 350 million priced at 350 million. This 105,000 square foot mega mansion has 21 bedrooms, a nightclub, bowling alley, and a 400-foot pool. This modern marvel is the epitome of luxury and innovation in residential design. The home also features a 30-car garage, a private theater, and a wellness center. Built with cutting-edge technology, it offers smart home automation and eco-friendly systems. Its sleek, contemporary design and panoramic views of Los Angeles make it a dream destination for the ultra-wealthy.